I was a complete newbie to AI before today. So I've learned about different AI websites, different ways to use it, and got so many ideas about, especially within our marketing, we can use it to optimize our content and extract amazing analysis and information, insights from different reports. So definitely a lot of practical ways where we can implement some of these ideas straight away.
I've had a chance to basically just do a heat check for people in the industry as to how they're using it and like the ways they're taking advantage of these tools, and also get a sort of a sentiment of how people feel about them.
I've learned to explore further AI applications and most of all asking for the right questions and inputting the right prompts, which is the basics of it all. And then I met other interesting professionals and it was a great moment for gathering thoughts about this topic.
So the big learning for me, I think, has been actually using AI for refining your own prompts. I think we put a lot of pressure on ourselves to ask the right question, but actually we can use AI to improve our ability to ask questions. So almost asking the likes of Gemini and ChatGPT how best to ask them, and kind of almost using them to kind of refine their own abilities.